Welcome to Get Updated Now, and here we are at a new coffee spot which is located like right, or you can say in front of Boulevard, Alaremi Boulevard. So it's a really nice place and they make really good coffee. So I'm trying their Cortado today and let's see how they do it. Okay, so see you inside. So here we are going inside now. Let's see.
Hello.
Hi, can I make a video?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you. So this is kind of forest style interior, nice. So for Cortado, you just use it's not a lot of milk, right, in Cortado?
No,
Yeah.
I will try.
Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. Thank you.
Try to be right.
Yeah.
Because the Cortado is like this only.
Yeah, yeah. It's like strong, short, right?
Yes. Two shots of the espresso and short by the.
Okay, thank you.